How to create Netflix account in mobile. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this tutorial. To create your brand new Netflix account, check out the Netflix application if you have installed in your device or just search for Netflix in your preferred browser. Over here, you will see the sign in button. You can click on sign in. Now, if you already had an account, you could just enter your credential, that is, whether your email or mobile number and password to sign in. However, since you are a new user, click on Sign Up Now. After that, you can enter your email address. Then, click on the Next button. After this, click on Next. Then, add a password. Once you do so, click on Next once again. Now you need to complete this process by selecting a plan. Here are some of the plans that you can select from. You can select on any of the given one, then check out some of the details regarding the plan. As you can see, the basic will cost you $3.99, which is approximately 4 USD. Then tap on Next. After that, now to pay, you can add your credit or debit card. For this, you need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and name on the card. Then tap on I agree and click on Start Membership. Once you have paid for your Netflix, then you can enjoy your Netflix account immediately. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.